Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel, and today we are talking about how to create SQL tables. If you are new to SQL or just need a quick refresh, this video is for you. By the end, you will be able to create tables like a pro, and you will get best experience with this simple table creation tips. So make sure to watch till the end of video. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share it with friends, and comment if you have any questions or even small doubts also. I will explain those doubts in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more upcoming videos and simple tips. Visit my channel for SQL quizzes which I have uploaded recently. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, coming to the structure of the table. Before we go into create table, for easy understanding purpose, here I have written the syntaxes for how to create the table. So here I have written the step-by-step syntax for creating the table, and this is for inserting the columns into the table, and this is for displaying the data from the table, and this is for how to update the existing columns with the conditions, and this is for how to delete the rows from the table. So please take a note for the upcoming interviews, so it will be very beneficial to you. Okay guys, so from now we will create the structure of the table by using the SQL. Okay, from here I request you to please concentrate on the creation of the table. So here I am taking new query, and here I have database already. So for best I will take another database. Okay, let's take this master only. Here I have written already some code, so I am executing this students table code, and this is for create table. This is the keyword for creating the table, and this is for students table. I mean, whatever the name we have to take for creating the table, students table, that we have to take. And these are the columns I have created, and this is students ID column, and the integer type I am taking, and this is primary key I am taking. So two uh, students will not be same, so for that we have taken primary key. So this is the first name, and varchar 50 I have taken, so it is a variable length, and this is not null. So not null in the sense duplicate, it will, the columns should not be null, that is we are taking not null. And this is for last name I have taken another column. This is also varchar 50 length I have taken, and not nulls. And email I have taken for column, and this is varchar 100 I have taken, and unique in the sense the student's email ID should not be same for all, for each two students. Okay, I am executing this code. Okay, here I have got an error. Let's check once. Okay, I will take master DB here, and here I will again I am executing this code. Okay, the commands completed successfully. So let's check the columns in my database. So here no tables, so let's refresh this table so that we will get our table students. Okay, check here the table students table is created. So let's display the select query, select star from students. So the intelligence, it will it's the students table, we'll select, and we will execute this query, execute. So it will display the student ID, first name, last name, and email. Okay, and coming to the insert command, for easy understanding purpose, previously I have written the code here, and This is for insert into students table. This is the column student ID and first name, last name, and email ID. So we are inserting the values into these columns. So I am taking this values keyword, and here student ID 1, and John is the first name, and Doe is the last name, and here I have an error. Just a second. Okay, and this is for email ID. I will execute this code. Okay, one row affected, it's a display. So we will select the select query, and we will display the, so here the students table data, it is displayed. And now we will go to the update query. Okay, here we will update the students table with first student ID, and here I am taking my student ID 1 equal to condition, and updating students with email ID. Email ID like here previously we have John Doe @example.com, and here I am updating this with 2025. Just as a bit updation I am doing, and we'll update this one. It was affected, and we will display this with 2025. Now we will insert another row for deleting columns. Okay, let's copy and paste. Otherwise we can edit this for here only. So here I am taking student ID 2, and name Hari I am taking, and I am updating, I am inserting like ABC, and here I am changing this the Hari email ID, and I will insert the values, and we will execute. So one row already affected, and we will display the 2 rows data. So here it is updated. Now we will delete the rows from the table. So this is the query for deleting the rows from the table. So students, here I am getting error. So student ID, I am deleting the this one John, and I will execute. So here it is affected, and we will execute this select query. It will display the one row data only. So guys, here I can write the code in front of you only, but it will take more time. So for decreasing the time and length of the video, I have written the code previously, and hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So, and I have written some previously, I have uploaded some shorts, so please visit my channel and solve that problems. Thank you.